Quick note, if you want to request a new hack or an update to a previously made hack, please follow the link in the description to access this form so that I can get the requests efficiently. And one more thing about the Google form is that please do read the instruction on the form because I have set up a bot to read the requests and process them, which is why if you don't follow the rules, then the request might get deleted automatically. Oh, and I have a Discord server where we do some crazy chats. Feel free to join anytime. And if you get stuck in any part of this video, you can contact me using the social links in the description. Hey guys, my name is Ishan and this is the Pokemon Sardonyx God Mode. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Take it away. God Mode is a modified version of various Pokemon games in which I add a lot of hacks and tweaks that you can use to become a god in the game. I highly recommend that you watch the whole video because I already have given the solutions to most of the problems one would generally face while performing any steps related to the hacks in this video itself. But if there's any issue that was not discussed in the video, then I'll be glad to help you out for sure. Now that you know what God Mode is, let's talk about how to download the God Mode because there's a special method you need to follow in order to download the files. How to download the files? The links in the description are shortened and will make you see a couple of ads in order to download the file. If you already have used my links before and know the steps, you can skip to this timestamp. However, if you are new and you were not able to download the files, all you have to do is just go to the link in the description, follow the steps of the website itself, and whenever it throws an ad or takes you to another page, just go back to the download page and press the button again. It will open the download link in 2 or 3 tries at max. So you know how to download the files and you probably would have downloaded the files by now. Now you must be wondering why you had to go through all those ads. Well, YouTube banned my channel from earning during Adpocalypse even though I was and am following the rules and regulations, which is why these shortened links are the only way for me to earn for my hard work. Now there is another way by which you can help me out other than those links, and it is Brave Browser. Brave Browser is really awesome browser that has its own ad blocker, has a super sleek UI and is much faster than any other browser that I have ever used. Brave is helping many people who got struck by the Adpocalypse, and the best thing about it is that you don't have to use a single penny for that because it's free. All you have to do is just go to the link in the description, download the browser and use it for at least 30 days before you decide if you want to keep it or not. How to install the God Mode? Installing the God Mode is really easy and it is somewhat different than other God Modes, so you will have to see this part. First of all, you need the 2 main files, the core and the hotfix, and they must be of this version, and if there is a new update available then just go to the form in the description so that I can update the God Mode. Now first of all, you need these 2 files, exact same version 2.7, 23rd Jan 2020, and the hotfix of 2.7.4 from 7th March 2020. Now first of all, you have to just unzip this file and then you will have to patch this file, which I am guessing you already know if you have played Sardonyx before. Now the next thing is the God Mode. You will download this file using the link in the description, and I have already told you the steps. If you didn't see that, then just go back and just see that. Now you just take this patch, the God Mode patch, and just cut it and then paste it in this folder, and after that just start this launcher, and then all you have to do is just select on apply patch and then just select the God Mode patch and then open and just go with it. Once that is done, then your game is pretty much ready with the God Mode. How to use the God Mode? First of all, these are the hacks that are provided in the God Mode. Now to go to the hacks map, you just have to press the button F6 or the combination of Fn and F6. When you press that button, you will be teleported to this map. There are NPCs here and all of those NPCs are hacks. Just go and talk to them in order to use the NPCs. Now you can also use the menu to teleport and teleport back by using this option. Then comes the debug menu. In order to toggle the debug menu, you just have to press the button F7 or the combination of Fn and F7. Once the debug mode is activated, you will have 2 new menus available. The first one is the debug menu in the main menu, and the second one is the menu that is in the Pokemon menu. just go into Pokemon, select any Pokemon that you want to edit, then just select debug. All of the options in the debug and the Pokemon debug are pretty much self-explanatory, but if you are confused then just comment below and I'll help you out. Also, one more thing, I have changed some things in the debug menus. For example, in the Pokemon options there is an option named Add Pokemon, and I have changed the script to ask for the ID, and the ID will be inside the Sardonyx folder inside IDs, and here are the IDs that are available, and you can change the items, moves and Pokemons based on IDs. Now the Pokemon list is this one, and you can select the ID and just select the ID here, and then you will get that Pokemon. But I have added an option to change this to the list form, that is the basic form. For that, all you have to do is just exit the option if it is already open, then go to this trigger.txt, then change this to 0 and save it. Once you do that, then you will be given a list of all the Pokemons, and the same goes for items and moves. But if you want the ID based selection of Pokemons or moves or list, then all you have to do is just keep the trigger as 1 and then just save it, and it will then go to the ID based system. Now comes the walkthrough walls. In order to use walkthrough walls, the debug mode must be on. Once the debug mode is on, you just have to keep pressing the control button and walk through walls or anything else. Then we have the Godspeed. In order to use the Godspeed, just press the Alt button and it will toggle the Godspeed. And finally, we have skipping battles. Now in order to skip battle, you must let the battle start, and then when the options come, all you have to do is just keep pressing the control button and use run. Now this was a wild Pokemon, but in case of trainer battles, it will give you an option of either winning or losing, then you just have to select what you want. Also, you require the debug mode to be on in order to use the walkthrough walls and the skipping battles. Well, that seems to be the end of the video. If you like the hack, please do press the like button, throw in a comment, subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon, and I'll see you in the next video.